Is affiliate marketing your secret to financial freedom? And the answer is yes. Welcome, I'm Jamie Williams and this is a RiddlesBendMedia channel. Let's talk about your financial future. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways right now to make money online, to start your own business, and to get your financial freedom to where you can be recession proof, because right now things ain't looking too good. As you know, you go to the store, you buy some eggs, they're ridiculous. You go buy gas, it's going up. Groceries itself is high, power bill's high. If you want to get your financial freedom back and get your time back and make sure you're recession proof, because they're talking about recession proof the second quarter, maybe the third quarter of this year. Who really knows? But they're looking at the data, and your guess is as good as anybody's. All I know is if you can feel it in your pocket, then you know there's a problem. But just remember, affiliate marketing, you don't have to worry about customer service, shipping, or products. All you got to do is just think about the product itself and promoting it. That's the good thing about affiliate marketing. Is affiliate marketing hard? I mean, you can watch a ton of videos on YouTube and they'll tell you, oh, you can make $10,000 a month. Just do this, do that. Well, let me tell you, if you're following any of that stuff, quit. Because it's just not that easy. It's not that hard, but it's not that easy either. You got to have some training, first of all. Then you need to know how to promote it, how to get the affiliate links, and the proper way to doing your funnels, your email list, and everything else that goes along with it. But you're probably asking yourself, well, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you're promoting someone else's product. It could be Amazon, it could be Walmart, it could be something on ClickBanks, it could be anything. Most people have, big companies, they have affiliate marketing programs. Or you can just, if you got like a hobby, you can go to ClickBanks and go to Marketplace and find something that maybe you're interested in. Maybe you got a hobby in woodworking or gardening or just about anything. You can find it on ClickBank. Then they'll give you a link, then you can start promoting it. But you need to know how to do that. You need the skills in order to do it. You need a mentor and someone to show you, to guide you, who's been making seven figures, who's been doing this, and who's not going to let you make all the mistakes that they did. You're going to learn it from people who's already done the work, who's already making seven figures. Now they're teaching. That's why you need the training, because it's going to shorten your time to where you're going from maybe 6 months to a year. Now your online business will be up and running in, say, 90 days. And that is what you're looking for. You want to be able to get this set up, dialed in. Then once you learn the skills, we're not going to give you something that's cut and paste, because you're not going to learn it. And we're not going to tell you you're going to make $10,000 a month. You can, but you got to put the work in and the time. And you're not going to do that. I doubt you do that your first year. And if anybody tells you anything different, run. Because there's a lot of information here on the internet where people are promising you 500, make 250, They get on there and they give you just a little bit of information. Say, this is all you got to do. It's not going to cost you anything. Well, they leave out a lot of information. They leave out the information that they've been doing this a long time, and that you need the skills in order to do it. That's what they're leaving out. But we can help you. There's no reason to panic. If you're interested in starting your online business and you want to start it this year and you've been putting it off, don't put it off any longer. because affiliate marketing is the secret to your financial future. And you're going to get your time back. So think about it. There is no better time than now. It's the first of the year, and things ain't going to get no better. Things ain't going to get no cheaper. But now is the time where you can take control of your life and your family's life and get started on your online business and learn a skill that you can take with you and do anywhere. If you guys want to go on vacation to the beach or go down to the Bahamas, hey, you can still do it. All you need is your laptop and internet. You can work for an hour, go play. Go have fun with the family. That's one thing about it. You can do this anywhere. But, affiliate marketing is wonderful. There's also other things that you can do that we can help you with if you're interested in them. Making courses, we can teach you how to make your courses. If you're already in affiliate marketing and you think you want to, make your own course, we can help you out with that too. So if you want to be an agent, we can do that. We can help you get you going in any of the three in the digital marketing fields that's out there. So don't hesitate to reach out, and don't forget to hit the subscribe, the like button, and definitely smash that love button, because we love the like button. So, and it helps promote the channel. So if you think you're interested, or even if you're not sure, or maybe you've been on the fence for this for a while, just go to the description, click the link, and then once you sign up, you'll get a phone call from one of the advisors and talk to him. If it's something that you sound like that you're interested, and hey, I'm all in, then hey, keep going. And if it's something you're not, no hard feelings. But at least, you can talk to somebody who's in the business and get your mentorship going and to help you push you along the way. But like I said, Jamie Williams, this is RiddlesBendMedia, and I will see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you next week.